What's up? It's your girl Nakita back featuring Outre's Lenaj.
Four hands, two bodies, and three orgasms. Two for you, one for me. It's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
Four hands, two bodies, three
She came
orgasms.
twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie. Three or more.
So let's get into the details about Lenaj. As you can see, she's 13 by 6, 26 inches. I got her in 1B. This is Outre's Perfect Hairline Collection. Comes in a bunch of different colors. $46 roughly, $47 on the ebony line. And the lace is popping. I love the curls. Very easy to install. Comes with your normal things. 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. The adjustable bands as well as the adjustable straps. It was a little thin on the side to my preference, so I didn't have to plug very much. I did go in and straighten out the hairline, make sure it was according to my liking. Now, any install that you do, and this is for beginners or anyone, I take these tips from beginners, I take tips from veterans, okay? You want to make sure that your glue or adhesive is in thin layers if you're going to use multiple layers. Whether it's spray, glue, gel, whatever. Make sure y'all using thin layers so that it don't cake up. I also did not use makeup on my install this time. As far as my cap. And I probably won't do that anymore. I probably won't put makeup on my cap. Only because I noticed that it tends to cake for me. Or build up a little bit too much. And I don't want that. I don't want too much build up. As I put the makeup or concealer or whatever it is on my unit, on the lace, I want to make sure, it's not too much product. I ain't gonna hold you. It has been giving me a better install all the way through. I have been getting nice, clean installs that last a little bit longer. Especially with the synthetic units. Okay? So, that's one tip on getting you a nice, clean install, regardless if you're a beginner or not. This video is very beginner friendly, so it's a video where I will not have to speak as much. I won't have to tell you very much because you'll see literally exactly what I'm doing. It is very detailed. So if you just sit back and watch my video, take the tips that you can use, throw away the ones you can't, I promise you will have a great install. Beginner or whatever. So, if you like videos like this, y'all, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to keep it positive. And yeah, I will keep popping back in when I feel like you guys need an explanation on what it is that I'm doing.
She came twice, I came last. She came twice, I came last. She came twice, I came last.
Okay, so off camera, I styled Lenaj. I plucked her, I washed her. I put a curling lotion on her. She is a full synthetic unit, but it actually worked out really, really well for me with this unit. So that's what I did before. Yes, I am wearing gloves during the install. I had gloves on initially when I was doing my cap, and so I just didn't take them off. That's why. But it actually helped for a clean install as well. so that I'm not getting the oils from my hands, from the hair and things like that on the lace. So it really did work out, you know. So now here I'm just going through and I'm spraying my EBIN spray. I've already did my glue. She's already glued down. However, this is a protective measure for me. I do have fans on. I have 2 mini fans so that during the install it dries a little. It gets a little bit tackier, a little bit faster. You will see me use a blow dryer this time. I had stopped using the blow dryer, but it's a little bit more humid in Washington State, so I needed a blow dryer. So I start using a blow dryer in certain instances just to make sure that I get that hold and it dries. Remember, use the blow dryer on cool, okay? Don't use it on hot. Don't use it on warm. Use it on cool. Your install will last longer and it will give for less irritation if you do get irritation from the adhesives or the lace. Couple more tips. And so do you see how that lace and the hairline actually came out looking? It's looking popping, right? And even though I didn't put makeup on my cap, I know a lot of people do it. I just choose not to. If you decide to, make sure that that makeup is completely dry before you get to add an adhesive on top of it. Ruby Kiss is a great makeup for that. And that's the one I did use inside of my unit, Ruby Kiss 15. And I used a very thin layer of it. Here, I just cut off my ear. As you can see, this unit fits very well. It is small to medium head friendly. I won't say it's a big head friendly unit, but the lace is very, very manageable and easy to use and easy to blend.
I don't got a bunch of rap for you, you know what I mean? I don't got a whole spill, a whole lot of shit to talk about. I'm just saying, try, nigga.
And as you can see, not using makeup worked. It blended very well.
I'll make it comfortable for you. Got a bottle of whatever you want. And turn up is real. It's live. You know what I do? Turn the lights on. One body, 4 hands, 2 bodies, and 3 orgasms. 2 for you, 1 for me. It's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
4 hands, 2 bodies, 3 orgasms.
She came twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie. 3
She came twice, I came last.
4 hands, 2 for you, 1 for me.
She came twice, I came last.
Yeah. Turn the lights on.
She came twice, I came last. She came twice, I came last.
Don't wanna brag about what I do, or all of the ways that I'll please you. Won't tell my friends I put it down. I ain't gonna say shit. I'm sure they'll figure it out after a while. Turn the lights on. 1 body, 4 hands, 2 bodies, and 3 orgasms. 2 for you, 1 for me. It's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
4 hands, 2 bodies.
Okay, so now that my lace is cut in my desired shape, okay, so you know, you can go with the V, you know, give yourself a widow's peak, however you decide. When you're cutting your lace, you want to make sure that you are cutting in a manner that is not just straight across. You don't want a straight hairline. Now, if you do get a straight hairline, there's ways that you can work around that. As you can see, my hairline was defined. Like, even though it wasn't straight, it was still giving, okay, this is lace, right? So this is what I'm doing in order to fix that. I go through, I spray my EBIN spray, and then I take the end of the rat tail comb and I like make those motions to maneuver the hair to make sure that it gives a natural indentation or hairline for me anyway. So I go through my whole entire hairline just like that, and I do that every time. I don't use baby hair, so this is what works for me. But for those of you ladies that use baby hair, that is perfect too. This unit came with more than enough baby hair for you to navigate and make pop, so you're good there. Me, I push my baby hairs back, so you're gonna see the definite hairline. So this is why I do it like this. This is what I do in order to achieve a natural hairline without baby hair. And so this is what you'll see me doing until my hairline is to my liking. Remember, blow, dry, on, cool. Do not use heat that is hot, warm, or none of that. Cool. Okay? Cool. So, this is the end of the install. Look at what it came out looking like. Look at that. Very, very natural looking. I love the curls. Look at my hairline. Given. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I be giving y'all them gems, I promise. Fuck with your girl. I'll see you later. Peace out.